Yeah. Yeah, because I know you usually up early, super early.
Yeah, I prefer when it's cooler. When it's summer, and then when it's summer, I prefer when it's winter, I prefer the morning.
I still don't be going to bed till so late. Like I went to bed at, I think I jumped in bed, which is early for me at 2 o'clock.
Wow.
But I was watching TV until 2.
Oh, okay.
I watched TV until 2 a.m.
Yeah.
Then I went on and put on, I got on YouTube. YouTube to 2:45, and I said, oh, I need to turn this off. So my alarm set for 7 a.m.
Yeah, I don't even watch TV. I watch YouTube.
Yeah, I watch more YouTube than TV, even though I got shows, but I like watching TV shows in wintertime.
I don't watch any, like, zero.
So I'm good. I have no wants for nothing. And save a lot of money. You ever used to take your kids in the back of the bicycle like you see in that little white cart?
I got one I'm trying to give away to the couple, but give it to somebody.
Yeah, in the turn lane. Yeah, she ran a stop sign, almost hit him. Yeah, you know, that'd be someone I'll bust their mirrors off for real. Especially when, you know, you're on a motorcycle. Do nothing.
What could be a jerk on? What, is he in the car with her or some shit?
No, he was in no car with her. He pulled over to show her where to park at. Man, she gonna sit there and lie. Oh, I got that on film too. Her blasting by from the turn lane.
Oh, yeah.
I was wondering why she ain't turned. I said, you know, after all that mess.
Yeah, after all that mess.
I said, I wonder why she ain't turned. You know, she don't sound like a law-abiding citizen.
She probably late for that little...